Hey, I'm Will. This is Luke.
Your macho voice.
But it's
Hey, it's me, William.
make sure to smash that subscribe button and like that
That
bell.
wasn't as good as the previous one
Oh,
that you
okay.
weren't trying.
All right. Here we go. Ready? Hey, I'm Will. It's Luke. It's too
Yeah,
much. I think it's too much. Too much
no,
inflection.
that was perfect.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So, what do? When we die, we got a whole. We get the entire list of previous leaders, people who have won at one point. We get the entire
hmm
list, and then we sort it, and
hmm
now we also made it to where if you qualify, if you're in the top five, then you can put your name in and it'll add into the list, but that list is local. Now what we're going to do is put it up into the Google Sheet by appending it at the end by using Google Forms. And Google
Okay.
Forms is the only way that I know how to do this. I don't know how to input into a sheet any other way. So if you happen to know, reach down and then shoot me a comment and let me know what you're thinking. I'm gonna do some push-ups while you're doing that.
I mean, yeah, the other solution I would think of is like make your own web server,
Yeah,
but that's a whole.
just build it in
That's not
assembly.
really a solution.
Why not?
Uh,
All right, let's share
Okay,
your screen. And first, we're gonna go to the Google form first. It's gonna be our first step.
I found it.
Whoa! Look at that. It's almost like we prepared it beforehand. Weird. Okay, now in order to do this, we
Is it
need
like-
a link, and to get the link, we need a pre-filled link because the
I
pre-filled link.
copy it here.
No,
There we go. I got it.
no, ink, wrong, ink.
Uh,
So here's what we do. We go to the responses tab. So from here, we'll click the three dots up in the top right. And then we're going to click Get Prefilled Link.
ah.
There we go. And then we're going to add in gibberish here, or even just one letter is just fine for each portion. It doesn't matter. It's for the sake of this link that we're going to get. So now it's copied to your clipboard, which is great.
Okay.
And I really want to make sure that this form is as public as possible. So let's do that really quick by clicking over to the other tab, and then we'll go to the settings button. This should be. Is there any type of protection, security, or is it just anyone with the link?
I think we
Oh.
did this pretty good when.
Here's how you do it. Click cancel, open up a new incognito window, and just pop in that link that you've copied already and see what happens. Perfect. That tells us enough. Great. So we'll close
Okay.
it up, and then we'll go into your Major script, which is in the Save Load Manager, and you conveniently named it Manager script, which is
I don't know why you're griping so much.
the worst name ever. Please don't ever do that. So we did grab this link. It's there on line 9. We grabbed it about 2 or 3 videos ago, but I wanted to re-show that process again.
Okay. So are we just gonna put this into like a? Oh no, because we're gonna be manipulating it, aren't we?
Yeah. We're not actually going to be using this link. So let's
Well, I was just saying. Never mind. Yeah.
let's find out where we get our new leader. Like, where is the new? Well, first off, let's make sure we hold on to this. So we'll
Yeah. I'll make another.
yeah, I'm gonna comment. Just pop it in there. Just make sure we don't lose it. Beautiful. All right, now we sort through our list, we comb through it, we find somebody that qualifies. You know, did player do gooder? I think is what it was. Cool. So let's go into that function. So returns yes or true. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll go back to where it's called. That's not quite enough. So we know that the person did gooder, and so then we have it inputs the score, which is great.
Okay.
And then what happens after that? Someone hits the button, and
Well. Yeah.
the baton gets
That
passed
was in
over.
the other script, isn't it?
No, that's here. That's here for sure. The baton gets passed though, so the button gets hit, And let's find out where it is. So let's go back to Unity. I'll show you how you can see what function that is.
Okay.
So we'll click on the input box where it says insert text. Yeah, click on it again. It should pop up in the inspector. Nothing? Okay. Then we'll open up the canvas, and inside of there, we're looking for the input field. There we go. And scroll down on the bottom, and we're looking for there it is. That's the function, and it says save load manager script, and the function's called manager script.update sheet. That's the function we need. That's where the baton gets passed. Perfect.
Okay, gotcha.
So we have the update sheet button. And
so probably like after this, we want to be calling the whatever the upload is, right?
I think, yeah, I like it. Do we have the winner? We do. There it is on line 146. Perfect. So we're going to take that winner and put that in as our argument.
So like upload score winner.
Beautiful.
Right?
Yeah, you got it. And let's write that script.
And then we can, this will just be a public void, I'm guessing.
Mm-hmm. And do you still have that? Well, before we do, what do we need on line 172? We're missing something. It's in the argument field.
Oh, this is an player class script.
Yeah, it is a player class script. Script. Beautiful. I love it. Great. And then now, do you have your link handy? Can you just paste it on line 171? Just so we have it.
Well, I just copied it. Copied something there.
Should be in your clipboard though. So oh, you copied something. Why are you copying stuff?
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna teach you a fun trick.
Yeah, hit me.
Oh wait, is this? Damn it! I didn't have that turned on.
Oh.
So there's this cool thing in Windows where if you press Start or Windows key V instead, you can get to all of your previously copied stuff.
Well, I wouldn't want to have that public on a YouTube channel because you know the stuff I search for.
Well, yeah, that's a you problem, not a me problem. Look at that. Mine's all clean because I have a link and player class script.
Let's actually comment it out and put it on line 171 above the. I'm sorry, I ruined your whole thing, didn't I? Well, let's redo. You ready? Luke, I can't believe you showed me that. For all of my friends that are PC users who are dipshits and don't actually like technology, then that'll be really useful for them.
This is just because I changed my shirt and won't let you change yours, isn't it?
Yeah. In front of you. That was fun. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we need some stuffs. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna break up this actually ask her. First we'll get 3 strings, and the 3 strings, those are the ones that we're gonna put into the form. So we're gonna write down the string, and then string is the data type. There you go. And then this is just gonna be the name. So just call it like player name or something. There you go, or P name or whatever.
They have to be different than.
No, well, yeah. I mean, these have to be unique, and this is the very end of our scope. So, there you go. Perfect. I love it. We'll never see these again. Besides this little like 9-lined function. It's fine. Equals winner dot, and then I think there it is. It's player name. Yeah, perfect. Cool. And then semicolon. Slap it on, and then we got to do the same thing for. Score, but this one we want to cast it as, so remove your semicolon, and we're going to cast it here by doing a .to string. It's just a function that does it for us anyways. There you go. Perfect. And then it's a function, so put your parentheses just empty at the end of it. Sorry. You were doing so good. Perfect. And then do that again for the date, because the date is, I actually think it's like a.
I mean, we didn't do that up here. Also, didn't we already convert it to a string up here?
What is that doing? That is only for the purpose, you're right, and that's only within the scope of display list, and it loses scope at line 170, and it's for the purpose of updating the text.
But doesn't this go into the winner, I thought?
That just goes into the text that updates.
Okay.
Yeah. What goes into the winner is on the function that calls this one. So we were just there. What was that function called? Upload. or update sheet. I think is what that function is called. Yeah, update sheet is, so right there where it says the initials are what goes in as the 3 arguments in player class script. So the initials go in, player score.string goes in, and then new date, and we parse it and we just want the first. So that's a string.
Okay.
So you're right, we don't need to cast it as a string, but the winner has those components in it. So now what we're doing in upload score is, and I mean, if we wanted to, we could also pass those in as our 3 arguments. That would work as well, instead of passing in the object.
I mean, we already got, that's probably the same amount of stuff. So.
It would be a little bit more clean, because you're right, lines 164 through 166 look a lot like lines 176 through 178. So, but yeah, either way. And no biggie. Okay, cool. So now the next thing we need to do is create a weird class that we'll never use again, but it's a capital WWW, capital F form. There you go. Data class. So there it is. That's the data type is WWW. Okay, and then we'll just call this form, FORM, lowercase, and then equals new WWW. There you go. Yeah, same thing. And then open and close it because it's a class and we're instantiating it. Semicolon. And that's it. Cool. So now we have our new form, which is from, it's a Unity web request is what this is.
Okay.
Yeah, what class or what library that's coming from. So we have this new form, and then now we need to add fields to it. So form dot capital A add field. Add field, perfect. And then this is a string that we're going to pop in, and we'll say, let's get it. Let's get the string. And it's in your link. Sorry. So in your link, we can actually start chopping away stuff at that link on line 172. Starting from HTTPS, we don't need anything else. Where it says entry, actually, if you do a search like Control F or Command F, entry, yeah, there you go. You see them, right? Those are what we need. Yeah, you got it. Perfect. And then let's get rid of those ampersands and the equal signs. And we'll get rid of the pre-filleds too. We don't need those. Remember, the NSD was exactly what you wrote in as the fields. Yeah, cool. So that's what we need. So the first add field, there you go. Perfect. And that's going to be, we're going to put it in quotes because it's a string. And then comma, and we're going to say that's that is the field, and there you go. Up name. Perfect. Up name from line 179.
Okay, got it.
And then close it up. We'll do that again 2 more times. Did you know about double click?
Like that?
Yeah. So if you double click the numbers on entry, like just double click the numbers, it'll copy it faster. I don't know. I like it more.
Well, yeah, but it's got a dot in it, so that...
It'll work.
Oh yeah, I can just do the numbers.
Yeah.
I'm stupid. I'm trying.
You're
to
not
do the
stupid.
whole thing.
No, it's fine. It's just I like those little.
Yeah,
tips and tricks.
I do that with work all the time.
I bet you do.
Coding, I stray away from it pretty often just because it's what you're copying. It's.
Yeah. That's a good habit.
I have to think. I have to get more in the habit of it where I don't have to think about it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I've been coding all day. Well, I'm tired.
All right, we're gonna do a new line. We're actually almost done. We got 3 more lines here.
Sorry.
No, you're good. 3 more lines, almost done. This one I have no idea what we're doing. This is great. So lowercase byte. So byte byte.
Oh, you're saying like you know what we're supposed to do, but you don't know why, or you don't know. Okay, that is more reassuring.
Okay.
Because I mean, there's plenty of voodoo magic crap that we just accept, and that's okay.
That's what we're doing right now. Okay, open and close your square brackets.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go, and then just close them up, and then we're gonna do raw data. So lowercase r, a, w, capital D. It's fine. It's just whatever name you want to call this, because the data type here is an array of bytes. And we're calling it, so we have an equal sign now. We're going to assign it equals form.data. So we're converting the form. Yeah, semicolon, that's it. except for that
Okay.
one. So we're
Okay,
taking
gotcha.
our form we created on line 183. We're adding 3 fields to it. We're converting it into an array of bytes. And then now let's do a new line. We've got 2 more lines yet left, and this one's Unity web request. There you go. And then whatever we want to call this, web upload request. Well, yeah, it just doesn't matter because it's going to go away pretty quick. And then equals Unity web request again. Dot capital P post. And then open up your. So do we have a URL for the form? Let's see. Just type in URL. See what happens.
We don't have a.
Just type in URL in there. I want to see what happens.
We,
So we have an export URL, but we don't have an import URL. Okay, cool.
Right.
Can you go to the export URL for me? Because that's what we're gonna need. We need to tell it what form to fill out.
this is the spreadsheet. That's not the.
Okay,
This is for the Google Sheet, not the.
got it. Okay, so let's go to the Google form, and we're gonna need it. We're gonna have to grab it, but it's not the pre-filled one. It's gonna end. So if you hit send, and then get me the link, that one should end in form response. So let's paste it into your code and see if that's what we got.
This is view form.
Okay, all right. That's fine. Let's go into the code, and actually, you know what we'll do is. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, let's add a new line, private string. There you go. Equals, pass that in. Okay, at the very end where it says view form question mark, let's delete all of that into the w/. Yeah, that's fine. And then make it form, FORM, capital R response. There you go. That should do it. Cool. And then if we slam back down to the bottom, and we'll be able to say import URL as our global within the scope of this class. So that's our first argument, import URL. And then comma form. So it's basically saying like where are we putting it, what are we putting in there,
Okay.
form. Semicolon at the end, and then
Then we're gonna actually execute the web request.
you know what? That's the execution of the web. No, you're right. I do want to have it. Wait though. It'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. Let's do our web upload that we have. Dot capital S send web request. There you go. You got it. Open and close those, and that's it. Let's see if it works. All right, line 17. Let's check it out. Way up in the tippy top, huh?
Oh, I better know what it is.
Is it the import URL? Yeah, no biggie. I'm sure we'll have more. Okay, what are we saying here?
Winder. Winder. That's what we call the winners in the Northwest. I mean the Midwest.
In southern Canada.
Yeah, well.
Go to the Google form, please, for the love of God, change the scores to like 1 each, please. Click the responses tab. And then hit the little green sheet there. There you go.
Why are there 6 here?
I don't know.
Aren't we only displaying 5?
I'm
Do we
glad
get
it says
rid of this one.
Will God. No. So as the user keeps adding new ones, as there's new scores, this could get really crazy. It's gonna get really long. And
I thought we were only adding and keeping the top 5 scores.
yeah, so as this grows, and you can add in more if you wanted, but as this grows, let's say it's at 20, right? Here's the steps it's gonna. Let's just say it's at 20. Here's the steps of what it's gonna do. It's gonna download all 20. It's gonna sort all 20. It's gonna take the top 5. What? Okay, I don't understand.
I think we're only triggering the upload if there is a winner.
Oh, what? Yeah. So, what?
So it's never going to get bigger than 5.
No, it'll. I'm
'cause
telling you,
it's
it will.
pushing the old ones down.
Yeah, yeah. So it grabs all 20, sorts them, gets the top 5.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Looks in the top and says, like, just to clarify so everybody knows, it looks in the top and says, like, is your score greater than this person? No. Or is your score greater than this one? Goes to the top 5. No. It doesn't matter where it is. Yes. Okay, cool. You qualify. It adds it in there, and then takes just that last one and adds it into the form, which appends it into the bottom. So as new players are going, it's just going to keep appending, and this could get up to crazy high, but no one's going to play this game, so it's fine. It's for a portfolio piece. It's for your resume, and it looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's play. Let's see what happens.
Okie dokie.
Now you just have to get. What do you have to get? 3?
I have to get 2.
Okay.
Oh,
Can he do it? All right, add it in. Okay. And now let's go look at the doc. Yes! With the date stamp of today. Beautiful.
First try.
Look at that. I can't believe it. And we are donezo. Yeah. How's that feel?
Good.
Yeah, like
That
you
was
said.
a lot easier than I feel like it should have been.
Yeah, we had a lot of build-up. That last video was 45 minutes long, and that was a lot of build-up to be able to do this. This part wasn't that bad. So, in our next video, we're going to be building a WebGL, and even you, our loyal fans, thank you for being there and liking our videos and subscribing and joining us in the Discord channel and being present and existing.
I unsubscribed, so
Son of a bitch.
you're out of fans.
Did you really unsubscribe?
No. Not that mean.
Okay, so we're going to make a WebGL, and even you can play it. You ready? Oh, wait, no, I asked that when we start. Bye! No, did I do it wrong? I feel like I did it wrong. Okay. All right.
No, it's perfect.
Thanks for being you. Even though you don't exist, and you're not watching our videos.
Yet.
Yeah, you will exist. I see you in the future.
I'm watching you in the future.
Woo!